Let's take a look inside. Take it out. It's a velvety pouch. It's really nice. And let's crack it open. And inside, samples for days, guys. Samples for days. And so basically, guys, when I was saying that this is one of the most artistic houses, I meant it. Like, all of their fragrances have all these artistic paintings, and the bottles themselves are really nice, guys. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, man. That's awesome. This is honestly another 10. And honestly, this exceeds a lot of other houses and brands. Inside the box are the 2 fragrances, and inside the box is, again, wax. I love it, guys. I don't know what it is, but the OCD in me makes me just want to like eat them or something. And here we go. Here's the bottle. Look at this freaking bottle, man. Honestly,